Good morning, everybody. There won't be calendar today because Miss Sarah is at our school. Miss Sarah's in our classroom right now. I'm cleaning up our classroom, putting some stuff away for the summer so that next year when we come back to school, hopefully, everything will be in place for our next preschool students, right? And your future teachers are doing that too right now. They're cleaning out their classrooms, making sure everything's going to be ready for you guys, okay? So I just hope you all have a really wonderful and safe Thursday. I really miss all of you, and I wish I'm going to give you guys all a big air hug right now. I miss your laughs and your smiles. I miss learning with you guys. I miss teaching you guys. I miss playing with you. And I really hope that you guys have and continue to have a great rest of your year. I'll see you guys tomorrow for calendar, okay? Have a great day.